Hey friends, I have an awesome project to share with you today. And it's going to be origami. And we're going to do some cool objects made of just paper. Oh man, I'm sorry. This was a live recording. Ah man, I got some nasty boogers on me. Oh man. What is this? Poo and blood? Ew. What is going on? Oh man, this is so gross. Well, I guess it's not nearly as gross as what I eat every day, though. I mean, I eat and drink animals, bodily fluids that are full of pus, got acne, and they're bloody cooked corpses from sick factory farms. And sometimes when they're butchering them, there's a little bit of poo in the body still, and some of it gets on the flesh. So yeah, oh, this is so gross. But actually, now that I think about it, I do gross things almost every day, more gross things. So I don't know why I'm being a germaphobe here when I eat, drink, and wear animal skins. Ugh. Look up a factory farm video like Farm to Fridge, meatvideo.com. if you want to see really what's gross. Or meat.org on sick factory farms. Oh, oh, thank you.